Hello, everybody. So the new catalogs have just arrived at my house. Depending on when you're watching this, it is actually August 28th right now, but I cannot tell anybody about these amazing new catalogs until September, except for my VIP customers who will be attending a product launch with me tomorrow. So they will be able to see everything first. But check this out, you guys. So Epicure is all about healthy eating, right? So your customers or you might be wondering, why is there a cake on the cover? Well, because we still have to live life, and I am so happy that Epicure isn't a diet program, because you know what? Diets up and down, up and down. No one's happy when they have to be on a diet, right? So Epicure's about this healthy eating program that allows you to make little changes here and there. That just means you can still eat cake, literally, and you can be, and just not have, the cake isn't as bad, if that makes sense, okay? Those cake mixes you can buy from the store still take about 30 minutes, maybe even more. It's been such a long time since I've made one. But there's so much like salt, sugar, just artificial everything. But our cakes literally take 4 to 8 minutes in the microwave or stove, and they taste amazing because they don't have to be cooked for that long. So it's just so much healthier for you, if that makes sense. And the nice thing too, you guys, here, let me see if I can find it. We have a new round silicone pan. Check that out. Oops, sorry guys. Where's my webcam here? There we go. Check that out. Silicone is the way to go. It is just so much easier to clean, to store everything. So I was so excited to be getting this. Plus it even tells you how to make the cake right there. So let me just confirm for you guys. So yes, so in the oven, yes, it does take about 30 minutes still, but if you have it in the microwave on high, 4 minutes. So I am actually making this cake tonight. So clearly I just haven't yet, but I'm going to use obviously the microwave because it takes 4 minutes. But we have some amazing new cake mixes. Let me just find the page. We have a pumpkin cake mix. We still have our pumpkin cheesecake mix and our gingerbread. Check this out, you guys. So let me just show you. It's kind of hard to see with my light, isn't it? I do have another video that I did upload showing you guys the catalog online, so have a look at that. This is page 55. But yeah, you guys, we have pumpkin spice loaf. Oh my goodness, how amazing does this look? Like, doesn't this look so good? Like, you would not expect to see cakes and muffins in a healthy Epicure catalog, but we have it. Yeah, you guys just have to check it out, okay? Awesome. I love this catalog. Super excited. If you are a consultant, my advice to you is to buy the catalogs where you get packs of 10 because it's actually cheaper to do it that way. Here in Canada, it's about $7.50 for a pack of 10. If you are to send each one to your customer, you do pay $1 for that catalog. So not the end of the world, but if you can give them a catalog instead, it's actually a lot less expensive to do it that way. And just a quick thing to mention, on the back now, we are talking about kids cooking classes. How amazing is that? I think that is so smart. I've never thought about that before, but it makes perfect sense because you need to teach kids how to have fun cooking too and to eat a lot healthier. So check out the catalog. I will leave the link for you guys. If you aren't part of my page yet on Facebook, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm so happy to help. So thank you guys so much for watching.